Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So we've been planning a 1-week camping trip at the end of June, and one thing we really needed was a good, reliable camping stove. After a lot of searching and reading through reviews, we landed on this one, the Coleman Classic Propane Stove. We saw hundreds of reviews online, especially raving about how durable it is, how lightweight and portable it feels, and how simple it is to use, even for beginners. So we picked ours up on Amazon, but you can also find this stove in most local outdoor stores like Walmart, sporting goods shops, and sometimes even in your neighborhood supermarket or hardware store. It's widely available. And so we decided to go with it. And today we're unboxing it to give you a detailed look before we take it on the trail. Right out the box, it's clear this thing is built for the outdoors. Its body is finished in a metallic forest green, giving it that classic vintage camping vibes while still looking modern and clean. The metal surface has a matte sheen which helps reduce glare in bright sunlight, a nice touch for outdoor cooking. When closed, this stove is rectangular and compact, measuring just under 22 inches wide and about 4.1 inches high. It features a built-in handle groove along the front edge, making it easy to grab and carry. Even though it doesn't have a separate swing-out handle, the form factor is light and sturdy enough to lift comfortably with one hand. On the front, you will see two large easy-turn knobs, one for each burner with a textured surface for good grip. These are all set in a metal base that blends into the body, keeping the profile low and simple. Along the top, the lid opens to reveal the cooking area. When it's fully open, the two wind-blocking side panels fold out from the lid and click into place. These panels are made from the same painted metal and are strong enough to stay upright in breezy conditions. You can also fold them in completely if you are cooking in a sheltered spot. It connects to a standard 16-ounce propane cylinder, which is perfect for portability, but we'll also have a separate video coming up showing you how to hook it up to a 5 lb or even a 20 lb refillable propane tank if you're planning a longer trip or want to save on fuel. Now on to the burners. The stove has two independently adjustable burners with a combined output of 20,000 BTUs. That means you can boil water on one side while simmering something else on the other. Great for making a full camp meal at once. And just over 4 inches high and under 22 inches wide, this stove stores easily in your trunk or gear bin, and it really feels like a piece of gear you'll be using for years. So we'll be taking this stove with us on a weekend camping trip this weekend. So be sure to subscribe if you want to see how it performs in the wild. We'll be testing it out for real. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep you posted on how the stove performs once we fire it up in the wild. See you on the next one.